Hi guys, I want to talk briefly about your outline. The outline itself, we look at it and we see you need to give a brief summary. Maybe 2 to 4 sentences you're going to explain. This person we did The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. So you give a summary of the essay, make sure that you're using in-text citations on your actual paper, but this is the outline. Then the illustrator information, right? The background, some other works of his or hers, and you should be getting this maybe from a Google source is fine, maybe not Wikipedia, but. And then your thesis is explaining the relationship between the text and how it's achieved through color, content, and layout. So example, Baum's illustrations in The Wonderful World of Oz complement the text. This is done through the layout, color, and content. And so they talk about the layout and how both the text and the layout represent the aspect that they're depicted cowardly. And then they say both give detailed visualization of the text. And another might be both emphasize the importance of the text. You can do it this way. You could also maybe say, hey, the illustrations are scarier than the text, and this is 3 examples in which it is. But I think if you follow the outline and you have a question, probably content, color, and layout is the best way to go. I hope that makes sense, and I hope it helps. Thanks.